You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this type of dish, recipe, potato, made from potato. It's originally from Switzerland, and it's a German-Swiss word. Now, the German-Swiss pronunciation is normally as Rosti. It's got an umlaut, 2 dots normally on the O, Rosti. But in English it's not pronounced rusty. It would sound a bit odd, wouldn't it? Pronounced more as Rosti. Yes, a potato. Rosti is the English pronunciation. So if you've been wondering, Rosti, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.